going to be doing a dinosaur review. As you can see, who is here? Stygimoloch. Yes, I know you might find this an odd dinosaur and like you have absolutely no idea what the thing right here is, but I will tell you about it because this is the Dino Rival Savage Strike Stygimoloch by Mattel. But first we need to know what Stygimolochs are anyways. The Stygimoloch existed in the late Cretaceous period around 65 million years ago when dinosaurs were just about to become extinct. But don't worry, little Styggy lived for a long life. Anyway, Stygimoloch was about 7 to 11 feet long and it weighed about 112 kilograms, if you ask me. And the Stygimoloch had a powerful domed head, and its dome was shaped like a pear, as you guys can see, and it had spikes all around here, but the spikes were not used for defense, they were only used for display. The meaning of the name Stygimoloch means river Styx demon, because the river Styx is basically from Greek mythology. It was a principal river separating the living and the mysterious underworld. Anyway, Stygimoloch was a pretty fast runner. It ran about 36 kilometers, which is faster than a Spinosaurus, which is a large, meat-eating spine dinosaur. Yeah, it was faster than its relatives, so that meant it was faster than the Pachycephalosaurus and the Dracorex, who are clocking in about 28 kilometers per hour. That is like pretty fast for a Pachycephalosaur because Pachycephalosaurs are quick on their feet, and Pachycephalosaur is basically like dome-headed dinosaurs. They had lots of things and decorations on their head. So let's now take a look at this beautiful Stygimoloch here. Oh, and one more thing. I wonder why they call it demon, because just a little cute little innocent dinosaur, and I don't know why they have to call it demon. Don't cry, Styggy. You're gonna be okay because we call you Styggy, so yeah, as you can see, it says on the packaging. Anyway, let's look at that. So, it says the Jurassic World logo here. Well, you can see a bloody image of the T-Rex in the background, and then you can see Styggy just hanging about. And here you can see the action feature you can activate. As you can see here, it says Stygimoloch Stiggy and Savage Strike in small print. Owen, who is from the Jurassic World movie, the Triceratops versus a T-Rex. And here's the Dino Rivals logo. And if you turn it around, you can see the Jurassic World logo here. And then here, you can see Savage Strike, Stygimoloch. And here it says one collector card. And there's a collector card there. Will be open soon. And here it says ramming head, which is like, it can actually ram. Like, you know how it uses its head to defend itself. And if you zoom in here, you can see some other figures from the line. You can have Savage Strike Velociraptor Blue and the Styracosaurus and the Monolophosaurus right here. So let's get Stygimoloch out. Oh wait, one more thing. It has the Jurassic World logo here and the Dino Rivals logo here. So yeah, now let's get Styggy out. So how do you cut these strings? Just about here. I'm trying to not scratch Stygimoloch because then Styggy wouldn't be happy with wounds. Okay, yeah, one string out, one more string to go. And Styggy is free. Is Styggy free? Come on. Oh, there's still one more string I didn't really cut. Okay. Styggy is free. Wow, I love this so much. If you guys want to get a closer look at it, I'll put it up here. Now time for me to get the card out. It's actually really tough to get these cards out. Yes, it's gonna have pretty serious opening here. Got Styggy's card out, but then there's a few minor things we need to do. I don't want to tear it. Styggy's card is out. That took so long. So here's Styggy and her card. As you can see, it has the head bouncing feature. And Styggy was a herbivore, meaning it ate plants. So yeah, this is Styggy, all nice and out of the package. And here is the card of Styggy. Stygimoloch, a strength of 6, a speed of 6, intelligence of 6, and aggression of 6. I'm worried about that because I don't want Styggy to be so aggressive. But this Styggy is not, he's calm. So this Styggy is pretty calm and he has very tiny arms, as you can see. Here's the action feature. As you can see, it rams. So if you like push the tail down, its head like bounces in and out, which is really cool. So yeah, this is Savage Strike Styggy. As you can see, the spikes are really well crafted. I love this pear dome here, pear-shaped dome. Yeah, this Styggy is really cute. Okay, so instead of scanning this dinosaur, I have a special treat for you guys. So here is Savage Strike Charlie. This is from a previous review. It's a short battle between Charlie and Styggy. Charlie bites Styggy. He mauls Styggy, and he tries to kill Stiggy, but Stiggy tail strikes Charlie. Charlie steps back, but then Charlie slashes all over Stiggy, but then Stiggy head rams. It breaks the bones of Charlie in that noise. And then Charlie is basically just finished. And Stiggy wins. If you watch the movie Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, Stiggy really did some serious damage. Went in there and scared all the people off. Stiggy made an appearance in the movie Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Owen and Claire were in prison, and Owen whistled to Stiggy to knock down the wall and the cage door. And Stiggy then proceeded to interrupt the Lockwood Manor auction, headbutt all the people, and just bash through like crazy. And Stiggy escaped into the forest. So here's Stiggy in the lift, and here's the Indoraptor. And here's the guy who's presenting the auctioning and telling them about the dinosaur and stuff. And here's the forest, as you guys can see. So this is how it happened. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. My channel actually, Pravek Studio. See you on the next video.